Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be a follow-up on the regional A and B boxes. This is probably my most common question on that video. Well, definitely on that video, but like probably one of my most common questions that I've gotten. If you guys haven't noticed, I just started going through all my comments and getting back to you guys. And for some of you guys who have left comments asking about how to ship with a regional box on USPS.com, my answer was, honestly, I've never done it. I've only done it through eBay, so I'm not really sure. However, there was somebody who did comment how to do it. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step on what they said. I'm also going to credit them. So let me just get their name. I wrote it down. Okay, well, I did write it down. Naturally, I can't find it. I want to say it was like SMP something. I'm going to leave it down below. Not that you need to contact this person, but they are the one who actually found the information and left it on my video. So you guys can go back to that video and see who it was. But I think it was like SP space MP or something like that. So thank you to that person. I really appreciate it. But now I'm actually going to walk you guys through how to do it. So, okay, well, actually, before I do it, so a lot of people have also asked, can I use a flat rate when shipping regional? And no, it's not a flat rate box. It's a regional box. Which I can see how that can be confusing since it stops at a certain amount and it seems like it's flat rate. It's not. Anything that says flat rate is flat rate. Anything that says regional is regional. Two separate things. So that's very important because when you go into the click and ship thing on the USPS website, when you go down to the bottom and they ask you how you're shipping, if you're shipping in a regular box or a flat rate, if you click flat rate, you're not going to be able to do it. You have to do it in, you have to click the one where you put the weight in. So I'm going to be showing you guys that in this video. Somebody asked about destination. I don't believe there is a limit on the destination. So I'm not 100% sure on that, but I'm pretty sure there's no limit on the destination. That was a question. There was a flat rate question. Oh, somebody asked what a 1092 box and a 1095 box is. Those are just regular priority mail, so that would not be regional and that would not be flat rate. Those are just like if you're using your own box or if you're using one of their boxes, that's what that is. So yeah, so that is how you guys do this. The main thing is instead of clicking flat rate, since it's not a flat rate box, you're not shipping flat rate, you're shipping regional, and then it shows up for you. So I hope this helps. Again, you guys do have to have a USPS account. Oh, and also somebody asked, why is it less money on the website than it is in the actual post office? Well, because they're providing you a service in the post office, so it would cost more and they're trying to entice you to do it online. So that's the difference on why there is a price difference. I hope this video helps. Thank you guys for your patience with me with getting back to you guys. Also, if you guys are trying to win my giveaway, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, Putnam County Hairstylist, and that's about it. And also, I have completely different content on TikTok if you guys want to check that out. TikTok is Putnam County Hair. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.